Good morning, students. Yesterday we started chapter number 10, currency, and also solve the question number 1 to 5 in exercise 10.1 on page number 51. Now, today we will continue it. Let's start question number 6. Price of a set is 326 rupees 50 paise and price of a pant is 780 rupees and 60 paise. Okay, these are the price of a set and a pant. Okay, now find out the total price of 3 sets and 5 pants. Okay, so write here price of 3 sets. Okay, प्राइस ऑफ ए सेट, वन सेट की प्राइस है 326 रुपीज़ एंड 50 पैसे. वन सेट की प्राइस 326 रुपीज़ 50 पैसे एंड प्राइस ऑफ 3 सेट्स, सो मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3. ओके, नाउ अगेन प्राइस of 5 pants. 5 pants. प्राइस ऑफ ए पेंट, ए पेंट की प्राइस है 780 रुपीज़ एंड 60 पैसे. सो प्राइस ऑफ 5 पेंट मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5. Now solve the question. 3 multiply 0, write here 0. 3 5 ja 15, so write here 5. Okay, remember 1 carry. 3 6 ja 18, 18 plus 1 19, so write here 9. Remember 1 carry. 3 2 ja 6, 6 plus 1 7. Okay, right here 7. 3 3 ja 9. Okay, and after 2 digit decimal. So price of 3 sets 979 rupees and 50 paise. Now multiply the pant number. 5 multiply 0, we get 0. 5 6 जा 30, 30 का अगेन 0. रिमेंबर 3 कैरी. 5 मल्टीप्लाई 0 0. रिमेंबर 3 कैरी, सो राइट हियर 3. ओके, 5 8 जा 40, 40 का 0. ओके, रिमेंबर 4 carry. 5 7 ja 35, 35 plus 4 39, so right here 3 and 9. Now total price find करना है, so add the total price of 3 pants, 3 sets and 5 pants. add कीजिए. Okay, after 2 digit decimal. 0 plus 0 0, 5 plus 0 5, decimal upon decimal. 9 upon 3 12, 12 का 2. remember 1 carry. 7 plus 1 8. okay, 9 plus 9 18, 18 का again 8. okay, 3 plus 1 4, so right here 4. so the price of 3 sets and 5 pants are 4882 rupees and 50 paise. This is our answer. Okay. Now question number 7. A fruit seller went to market with 35,916 rupees. From this, इसमें से इनके द्वारा ही हैज़ पेड, उसने पेड किया है 12,763 रुपीज़ एंड 30 पैसे फॉर एप्पल. ओके, एंड 13,243 रुपीज़ 30 पैसे फॉर ग्रेप्स and 947 rupees 25 paise for banana. Now how much money is left with him? Okay, so right here, first of all, he paid, so spent money. So he spent on apple. He spent on apple how much money? 12,763 rupees and 30 paise. Okay, he spent on grapes, so right here grapes, 13,243 rupees and 30 paise. Okay, this is the spend on grapes, and 947 rupees and 25 paise on banana. Now add the apple, grapes and banana number. Because of that, these are the spent money, total spent money. इधर write down कीजिए total spent money, प्लस कीजिए 5 3 3 6 2 8, right here 8 decimal, 7 3 10 10 3 13, 13 का 3, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 4 14, 14 plus 1 15, remember 1 carry, 9 plus 2 11, 11 plus 7 18, 18 plus 1 19, 3 plus 2 and 1, 3 plus 2 5 or 1 6, right here 6 and 2 ka 2. Okay, so total spent money this one 26,953 rupees 85 paise. And now a fruit seller went to market with, so 35,916 rupees. So starting money he has 35,916, so right here starting money. Starting में उसे money, how much money? 35,916 rupees. Okay, and he spent money total spent money 26,953 rupees and 85 paise, right here 0. Okay, now subtract the spend money from starting money, 35,916. Okay, now 0 upon 5 not possible, so we will 10 borrow from 6. Okay, here 9, here 10, 10 minus 5, right here 5, 9 minus 8, remember 1. Okay, decimal upon decimal, here 5 upon 3 we get 2, 1 upon 5 not possible, so 10 borrow from 9, so here 11 upon 5 we get 6. Now here 8 upon 9 not possible, so 10 borrow from 5. Now here 18 upon 9 we get 9. Okay, now here 4 upon 6 it is not possible, so we will 10 borrow from 3, so here 3 become 2 and here 4 became 14 upon 6 we get 8. Okay, and here 2 upon 2 0. So this is left money. Left 8,962 rupees and 15 paise. So right here left money 8,962 rupees 15 paise. This is the answer of this question. Because of that, in this question we will find out the left money, and left money 8,962 rupees and 15 paise. Okay, now question number 8. Meera has 20,974 rupees 80 paise. Okay, of these she had spent 10,544 rupees and 40 paise. यानी इसमें से इन्होंने इतना स्पेंड किया है, एंड रिमेनिंग अमाउंट सी इक्वली डिवाइड्स बिटवीन हर सन एंड डॉटर. रिमेनिंग अमाउंट को सन और डॉटर में उसने डिवाइड किया. नाउ हाउ मच रुपीज ईच विल गेट. सो वी विल फाइंड आउट सन एंड डॉटर विल गेट ईच how many rupees. Okay, so starting from here, Meera has starting money. So Meera has 20,974 rupees 80 paise. Out of these he had spent. So spend money, spend money. How much? 10,544 rupees decimal upon decimal and 40 paise. Now this is the remaining amount. Remaining amount. माइनस कीजिए रिमेनिंग अमाउंट, सब्ट्रैक्ट द स्टार्टिंग स्पेंड मनी फ्रॉम स्टार्टिंग मनी. 0 upon 0 we get 0. 8 upon 4 4. Okay, 4 upon 4 0. Okay, 7 upon 4 we get 3. 9 minus 5 we get 4. 0 upon 0 0, and 2 upon 1 we get 1. So remaining amount 10,430 rupees and 40 paise. Now this money divides between son and daughter. Son and daughter, how? One son and one daughter, so total 2. So divide between 2. Okay, so each will get, यानी प्रत्येक को मिलेगा 10,430 रुपीज़ 40 पैसे डिवाइड बिटवीन 2, डिवाइड बाई 2. व्हेन वी फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ ईच वन, yesterday I told, when we find out each one number of value of each one, we divide. Here 10,430 divided by 2. Okay, so divide कीजिए. 10,430.40 divided by 2. 2 5 जा 10. Okay, 10 minus 10 0. Bring down next digit 4. 2 2 जा 4. 4 minus 4 0 again. Bring down next digit, that means 3. 2 1 जा 2. 3 minus 2 we get 1. Bring down next digit, that means 0. Right here 0. 2 5 ja 10. Okay, 10 upon 10 0. Bring down next digit, that means 4. Right here 4. 2 2 ja 4. Okay, this 0 bring on quotient. Okay, now our divide complete after 2 digit decimal. So each one will get 5,250 15 rupees and 20 paise. This is the answer. सन एंड डॉटर ईच वन, प्रत्येक को मिलेगा 5215 रुपीज एंड 20 पैसे. ओके. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. प्राइस ऑफ ए साइकिल इज 1075 रुपीज 50 पैसे. What will be the price of such 52 cycles? So right here, price of a cycle, price of a cycle, how much? वन साइकिल की प्राइस है 1075 रुपीज़ एंड 50 पैसे. नाउ in this question we will find out the price of such 52 cycles. ऐसे ही 52 cycles की प्राइस क्या होगी? So price of 52 such cycles, 1075 रुपीज़ 50 पैसे मल्टीप्लाई बाय 52. ओके. 52 से 1075 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. ओके. व्हेन वी मल्टीप्लाई द नंबर 1075 रुपीज़ 50 पैसे बाय 52, वी गेट द आंसर 55,926 रुपीज़ and 0 paise. 0 paise means nothing. So price of 52 such cycles 55,926 rupees. Okay. Multiply the number 1075 rupees 50 paise by 52. Okay. Now next question number 10. Add 25,081 rupees 75 paise, 70,860 rupees 60 paise and 9,876 rupees and 42 paise. So add करना है. Right here 25,081 rupees and 75 paise. Okay. Now decimal upon decimal. Second number 70,860, 70,860 and 60 paise. We have another number, so decimal upon decimal. Now 9,876, right? 9,876. Okay, decimal upon decimal and 42 paise. Now add all the numbers. Okay, 5 plus 2 we get 7, 4 plus 6 10, 10 plus 7 17. Again right here 7, decimal upon decimal. Now 6 plus 1 7 and 1 carry 8. 7 plus 6 13, 13 plus 8 21. Right here 1, remember 2 carry. 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 2 18. Right here 8, 1 carry. 9 plus 5 14, 14 plus 0 again 14, 14 plus 1 15. Right here 5, remember 1 carry. 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 1 we get 10. Okay, so 1,05,818 rupees and 77 paise. Okay, I hope you understood. If you have any problem regarding this topic, please contact me. Thank you.